Okay guys, so we're going to install our new Sonar Phone module onto this new little drift boat that I got. First you're going to find where you want it. I think this corner right here would be my best bet. I'm going to bring the cable up here and then I'm going to run it down, and I'm going to mount my module under my front seat. So the screws they gave me were really long and I don't want them clear through this hole because I got a really nice little compartment in here. These ones probably come through, but I can trim the tips off. They're a good bit shorter here. Not a whole lot, but okay. So we're gonna put this sucker up here, and you're gonna want it to where the bottom of your sonar deal is just under the bottom of the boat. We want to even that out. Okay, should be about right there. Then we'll put the screws in to where we can adjust it up and down a little if we need. This is going to be fun to try to hold these because they're flathead screws. Oh man, just lost it. Oh, we got another one here. Let's get him ready here. We're going to put him in here. Keep our drill on it so it's tight. Okay. Right there looks pretty good. This is why I hate flathead screws. Hard to do anything with them because they move. They move around all the time on you. Yeah. We're going to bail on that idea and use the Phillips heads. These will stick better. You learn as you go, right? This little Milwaukee head is hell to pull screws out of. Okay, so forget everything I was saying, and I'm going to put these Phillips heads in here. We're going to line this up right. Okay, that should be pretty good. Yeah, that little bugger don't want to go through either. The back of this boat is actually really thick. Okay, hold this good and taut. Having a time today. Let's just say, watch it grab and go and crush my finger. Okay. Now, before we get it too tight, let's get the second one started in there nice and level. Okay. Pushing the dang thing out at me. Come on, you little monkey. Come here, dang it. Okay. This is just being a pain. There we go. Okay, now let's tighten this one in. Okay, looks pretty dang good right there. Tighten the other one in. Come on, get around the stupid little bolt there. Okay, there we go. She's just sticking under the bottom. So we're gonna get the sonar view. That was a lot more work than it should have been. Okay, now we got this big old roll of cable here. We're gonna run it. Move the camera up where you see. Okay. Well, pulled it out of the hole. That's what she said. Anyway, got this awesome little compartment here on this I'm just in love with. Let's see. Wow. That's so thick, those screws didn't go all the way through the hole on the back. This thing's pretty well built. Only thing I've seen that they didn't build real good is this little back piece that's kind of coming apart. But almost wondering, no, don't want to do that. So I'm going to run this up here. I'm going to get some little, those little pieces with the screw, and I'll just go in and I'll put a little piece right here to hold this. Then I'll run this inside. We're going to roll this out. We're not going to get it all permanently mounted for now. We're just going to get it set up. I'll run the cord in that later, do a better job of it. What we're going to do is pull it over here and then go down with the seat here probably. But I got to get some stuff to hold it in place. Okay, and that's as far as we're taking it right here. Okay, and then get our module here. Grab our tools. I'll put you up here where you can see. Hope everybody's enjoying all the running around like a head with my chicken cut off. Yeah, we're just going to mount it down under that front seat. Grab my screws here. We're just going to use 2. There's no need for 4. Just put 1 in each corner, crisscross. Man, it's hot out here. I'm so tired of this hot weather. Okay, and then this just has our battery stuff there. Battery terminals. Our battery's going to be mounted right there. So we're going to... Actually, I think I'll mount it on the front of the seat here. That'll be easier for me to get to it. And it'll be easier to put in, which is always a good thing. I really hate flathead screws, but that's what I found real quick in my shop that look good. Guess next time I'll scout around and find some good Phillips heads, not just go for the quick, easy route. I'll probably pause you guys for a minute, and let's connect this real quick. I'll go get my battery out of the other boat over here. I need to get some more deep cycle batteries with all these dang boats I got. I guess you can only use one boat at a time unless you loan them out to friends or something. Okay, so I'll go grab my battery. Be right back with you. Okay, so there's our battery. I'm actually thinking about getting a good battery box. They have some on Amazon I've seen that are really good. It's a little battery box that actually has USB plugs and stuff in it. You hook it up to the battery. It has like cigarette lighter and USB plugs, all that built into the battery box. I don't know what I'm doing here. Get to talking and thinking about the video and forget what you're doing. So we're going to have to clean this back a little here. I don't know what kind of battery they meant to put this on. It's got the big like battery loops. but not enough cord. So I had to go grab my knife. For some reason, it's not in my pocket. Okay, so I just realized my earbuds were laying on the trailer. I left them out here so they didn't disconnect. Just wanted to make sure we had sound here. So I took a box knife and I cut through like an inch of the rubber here, cut it around, and made my terminals long enough. Now we're going to go around to the front here and we're going to turn this thing on. See, yeah, we got our thing all connected and everything. Okay, so literally all you have to do, push this red button, lights on. Okay, now from what I read, it's supposed to come up on here as a Wi-Fi thing. We'll open our Sonar Phone app. Okay, let's see. Hope you guys can see this some. I don't know. Mostly seeing myself. Okay, agree. I agree. This doesn't work right on the phone. And we'll try a different angle here. Out of the sun. Make our screen as bright as we can. Okay. Don't need to watch live streams right now. Anyway. Connect to Sonar Phone. Oh man, now my thing's overheating. Fun of being out here in the summertime. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go set this in the cooler for a minute. The tablet's overheating. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see any of this. You have to go to your Wi-Fi and connect to Sonar Phone, and it asks for a password. I had to go through the instructions, and the factory password is 1 through 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect. Connecting. Connected. No internet, and that's fine. You don't need internet. It won't show internet because it's just a Wi-Fi network to run your thing on. Then we'll hit connect now. Dismiss. This is no internet. Master. Enter password to gain full control functions. Slave your option to observe sonar display after a master is established. We're going to go with master. We're going to put our default password in again. 1 through 8. Start. Now you can let all your friends connect, and they can connect as a slave, or you can give them your password. Okay, let's see if we can see this here. It's gonna go crazy. Hold on. Anyway, it's showing. The feet keep dropping. Yeah, I think you guys are just getting a black screen. Anyway, the feet keep dropping because it's realizing it's only like a foot off the ground. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If anybody has any questions, you can leave them in the comments. But like I say, out here you're not going to be able to see my app screen on my tablet. So appreciate everybody watching this video. Please, if you haven't, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch y'all on the next one, and good luck fishing, everybody. Take care.